How to add someone in your Google Chat. Hello everyone, today I'm gonna share with you a tutorial videos. It's Google Chat, about Google Chat. So you can see there is no one in my uh, inbox, but I wanna add someone. So that's why you have to go here, click here, search in chat. You can see this is the option. So simply click on this and then type the email. Okay, you have to type the email, the user you're gonna add. So I'm just gonna add my friend here. So after that, here you can see matching people. So simply click on the email and then say something, and these people are added. So when he or she see your message, then reply, then you can talk with them. So okay friend, today is Noma and thank you for watching the video.